Hey there, folks. Got a whiff of gas in your garage and can't seem to shake it? You've come to the right place. Today, we're going to walk through how to get rid of that pesky gasoline smell in your garage. Trust me, your nose will thank you. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Let's get rid of any gasoline-soaked items. Safety first, folks. Grab your rubber gloves, a mask, and safety glasses. These are your best friends as we start this cleaning journey. Got them? Great! Next, round up all those items that got friendly with the gasoline. Once you've gathered them, you'll want to store them in a sealed container. No sealed container? No problem. A sturdy, heavy-duty plastic bag will do the trick too. Remember to label it clearly as hazardous waste or flammable material. Not sure how to say goodbye to these items? Your local waste management facility or fire department will help you show them the door. Now, let's crack open those windows and doors, let the fresh air roll in. Get those exhaust fans or even a regular fan whirring. Just keep it breezy until that gasoline smell says sayonara. Alright, time to play detective. Look for signs of gasoline spills or leaks around your garage. If you find any, make sure you address them straight away. Patch up that leaky gas tank, tighten that loose cap, or swap out damaged equipment. Now, it's time for a deep clean. Meet your new best friend, white vinegar. Spray a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water onto the affected area. Let it sit for a bit, then wipe it clean. If that stubborn smell's still hanging around, baking soda's up next. Spread it all over the area, let it sit for a few hours, or even overnight, then sweep it up. Didn't work? Well, we've got another trick up our sleeve, activated charcoal. Just leave a dish of it in your garage for a while, let it do its magic. In case you're still stuck with that smell, try a commercial cleaner, one specifically designed to kick gasoline odors out the door. Apply it as per the instructions on the label and say goodbye to that smell. If the smell's just too stubborn, there's a big gun we can bring out, an ozone generator. But remember, it's important to keep everyone out of the garage when using it, including your plants. And lastly, if the smell is seeping out from your concrete floor, seal it up with a concrete sealer. Alright, that's all from me today. I hope this guide helps you clear out that gasoline smell from your garage. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and drop a comment below to let me know how these tips worked out for you. Stay safe and smell free, folks.